There are few things more exciting than stepping off a plane to a new destination, but that excitement can quickly be crushed if your bag doesn't make it out of the plane and onto the carousel. Many of us know the importance of luggage tags, but don't invest in the right ones to guarantee our luggage ends up back in our hands. To help you out, we created a guide for the best luggage tags on the market. There are many products available to choose from best luggage tag, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best luggage tag from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. High-Wind Cruise Luggage Tags. If you've been on a cruise recently, you know how flimsy their luggage tags are. They're made of paper and fall apart easily. If you want to make sure your luggage successfully gets to your stateroom, go with the High-Wind Cruise Luggage Tags. Measuring 7.25 x 3.5, these clear holders will keep those paper tags intact and protected from the elements. You'll print the paper tags like you normally do, then zip them up in the holders so they'll be secure. The tags are made from a durable PVC material, and are made to fit tags from all major cruise lines. You'll attach them with the included braided steel loops. For the best travel luggage tags for cruises, High-Wind is a perfect choice. Number 2. Travelmore Luggage Tags for Suitcases. These 7 bright neon luggage tags will make sure everything from your carry-on bag to your golf bag is properly labeled with your contact info. These PVC silicone tags are made to bend through the toughest conditions but not break. They're ideal for long trips or flights with multiple connections as they won't fall off. These tags measure 4.1 x 2.3 x 0.3, and you can write your information on the identification card or just slide in your business card. Not only do the colors make these tags unique, but they're also super lightweight, waterproof, and have a lifetime guarantee. You can be confident the Travelmore luggage tags for suitcases will stand up to airline abuse. Number 3. Travelambo Aluminum Luggage Tags. These reinforced aluminum alloy luggage tags are at least twice as strong as a standard tag. Each tag includes a reinforced stainless steel loop to make absolutely sure your luggage tag survives even the toughest adventures. Travelambo aluminum luggage tags have a super cool information card feature that allows your name to be visible, thanks to the transparent film, but your personal information is hidden. This makes it even easier to make sure you're grabbing the right bag off the carousel. Not only do these tags work well for luggage, but you can also attach them to things like your briefcase or travel backpack. Travelambo aluminum luggage tags have a nice aluminum finish, and will keep your information protected, no matter where your travels take you. Number 4. Ovener Silicone Luggage Tag. Traveling with the Ovener Silicone Luggage Tag is one of the best ways to show your love for travel and aviation. Decorated on one side with an airplane, the other side lets others see only your name. The rest of your information is protected by the tag. The tag is about the size of a credit card, measuring around 3.5 x 2, and the name card is 3.4 x 1.8. The tag is secured by a 7 steel cable to make sure it stays firmly attached. The silicone is soft and bendable, making it easy to attach to everything from your checked baggage to your garment bags. The Ovener silicone luggage tags are a great option for those looking for a high-quality luggage tag at a great price. Number 5. Tuft Og Luggage Tags. Tuft Og luggage tags are high-quality and rust-proof metal tags that give your bag a sleek look. They're stylish and professional, so not only do they work for your luggage, but you can also use them for things like your travel briefcase. The tag is 2.35 x 4.15 x 0.15, and it's secured by a stainless steel cable. There's an information card included, but you're also able to insert your personalized business card. They even offer a PDF template that allows you to type up fun name cards and labels to give it a more personalized feel. With durability at the forefront of the design, Tuft Og luggage tags can last a lifetime. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.